What if one beautiful houseplant could instantly make your home look like a tropical paradise while asking for very little in return? Meet the umbrella tree, one of the easiest and most rewarding indoor plants you can grow. With its glossy leaves that spread like tiny green umbrellas, this plant brings elegance, calm, and a refreshing natural vibe to any room. But here's the surprising part. Many people accidentally damage their umbrella trees by overwatering, placing them in the wrong light, or ignoring a few simple care tips. In today's video, you'll discover the amazing benefits of keeping an umbrella tree in your home and learn exactly how to care for it so it stays lush, healthy, and thriving for years. Section 1. Why the umbrella tree is perfect for your home. The umbrella tree is a favorite among houseplant lovers because it combines beauty and simplicity. Its rich green leaves create a tropical atmosphere that instantly makes living rooms, offices, and bedrooms feel more inviting. Unlike many indoor plants that demand constant attention, the umbrella tree adapts well to typical indoor conditions. It grows steadily, tolerates occasional neglect, and can become an eye-catching statement piece. The plant's upright growth also makes it ideal for corners that need a splash of greenery. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced plant collector, the umbrella tree offers the perfect balance between elegance and easy maintenance, making it one of the most rewarding houseplants you can own. Benefit number 1. Helps freshen indoor air, 120 words. While no plant can completely purify indoor air on its own, the umbrella tree contributes to a fresher indoor environment. Its abundant leaves absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during the day, helping your home feel more connected to nature. The foliage can also capture tiny dust particles that settle on its leaves. Many people notice that rooms with healthy plants feel calmer and more comfortable. Beyond the scientific benefits, simply seeing vibrant green leaves indoors can improve mood and create a sense of relaxation. Adding an umbrella tree to your workspace or living area introduces a refreshing element that softens the feel of modern interiors and brings a touch of the outdoors inside. Benefit number 2. Creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere. There is something soothing about living plants, and the umbrella tree excels at creating a peaceful environment. Glossy leaves and graceful structure make spaces feel alive and welcoming. Studies have suggested that being around plants can help lower stress and improve overall well-being. The umbrella tree can become a natural focal point that encourages relaxation after a long day. Whether placed beside a reading chair, near a window, or in a home office, it introduces a gentle sense of balance and tranquility. The lush foliage also softens harsh lines in modern decor, helping rooms feel warmer and more comfortable while adding a touch of tropical elegance to everyday living. Care tip number 1, give it the right lighting is one of the biggest secrets to growing a beautiful umbrella tree. This plant loves bright, indirect sunlight. A location near a sunny window with filtered light is usually ideal. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, causing brown spots and fading. On the other hand, very low light often leads to weak stems and sparse foliage. If your plant begins stretching toward the window or becomes leggy, it is asking for more light. Rotating the pot every few weeks encourages even growth and keeps the plant balanced. Providing the proper lighting conditions allows the umbrella tree to produce fuller foliage and maintain its vibrant, glossy appearance. Care tip number 2. Master the watering routine. Overwatering is the number 1 reason umbrella trees struggle indoors. Instead of watering on a fixed schedule, check the soil first. Allow the top inch or 2 to dry before watering again. When it's time to water, thoroughly soak the soil until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. Then allow the soil to begin drying again. During cooler months, the plant requires less moisture because growth slows naturally. Yellow leaves and soggy soil usually indicate overwatering, while drooping leaves and extremely dry soil suggest underwatering. Learning to observe your plant and respond to its needs rather than following a strict calendar is the secret to maintaining healthy roots and vigorous growth. Care tip number 3, soil, humidity, and feeding. The umbrella tree thrives when its roots receive both moisture and air. A well-draining potting mix containing ingredients like perlite and bark helps prevent water from becoming trapped around the roots. Moderate humidity also keeps the leaves looking their best. If your home's air is dry, grouping plants together or using a humidifier can make a noticeable difference. During spring and summer, feeding the plant once a month with a balanced liquid fertilizer encourages steady growth and lush foliage. However, avoid excessive fertilizing because too many nutrients can damage the roots and discolor the leaves. With proper soil, humidity, and feeding, your umbrella tree can remain vibrant and healthy throughout the year. The umbrella tree proves that you don't need a difficult plant to create a stunning indoor jungle. With its glossy tropical leaves, easygoing personality, and ability to transform almost any room, this plant is a wonderful addition to your home. Remember the essentials. Provide bright indirect light, avoid overwatering, use well-draining soil, and feed it occasionally during the growing season. Follow these simple steps, and your umbrella tree can thrive for many years while bringing beauty and a calming atmosphere to your living space. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. More plant secrets and easy care tips are coming in our next videos!